Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Form Builder for docs. Form Builder is an incredibly powerful tool designed to help you create dynamic and interactive documents with ease. It allows you to embed various input fields directly into your documents, transforming static pages into engaging forms. This saves you significant time and effort, making your document workflows much more efficient. Once you've opened Form Builder, the next step is to design your form. You can easily add various field types, such as short text, paragraphs, dates, and multiple choice options, by simply dragging and dropping them onto your document. Each field offers customizable properties, allowing you to set specific labels, placeholders, and even default values. Aim for a clear, logical flow to enhance user experience. Publishing your finished Canva design directly to YouTube is incredibly straightforward. Once your video is complete, simply locate the Share button in the top right corner of the editor. From the sharing options, select YouTube. You will then be prompted to grant Canva the necessary permissions to access your YouTube account. After connecting, you can add your video's title, description, and other details before publishing it directly to your channel. After building your form, it's time to share it and collect responses. You can easily generate a shareable link or embed the form directly into a website. Once users start submitting, all responses are automatically collected and organized within Form Builder. You can then review individual submissions or export all data to a spreadsheet for comprehensive analysis, helping you gain valuable insights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.